For most of us, smartphones, tablets, and other personal computing devices have become essential fixtures of our lives. But have you ever considered how easily someone could access your information when you speak on the phone, message, or send emails? Let's demonstrate how easily your conversations could be intercepted if you don't use special data protection tools. In our example, we will use commercially available hardware components, a laptop and a smartphone. Let's assume that an attacker is using a laptop to launch an attack on someone using a smartphone in a public place, like an airport or a railway station. The attacker uses the built-in Windows tool to set up a fake public Wi-Fi access point. The smartphone connects to the fake free public Wi-Fi access point to access the internet because it looks the same as a valid public Wi-Fi connection. The attacker now has control over the smartphone's traffic and can easily read any information which is not encrypted. The smartphone user calls a colleague to have a confidential discussion using voice over IP. This interception scheme does not apply to GSM traffic. The attacker captures and records the relevant IP packets and then plays back a recording of the conversation using publicly available software. The confidential discussion has now been listened to by the hacker, and he can easily share and distribute it further, potentially causing major damage to the company. However, using special tools, you can protect your conversations as well as your email and other data from being intercepted while using public Wi-Fi and voice over IP. In this example, the smartphone user has installed Protelion mobile security software to protect and encrypt not just his emails, but also his voice calls. He launches the Protelion client before accessing the Wi-Fi network. All the smartphone's activity on the internet is encrypted and never appears on the attacker's screen. Moreover, the smartphone is able to make encrypted voice calls using the Protelion Connect, and the attacker cannot see any data and cannot record confidential calls. Data protection is performed by using symmetric encryption of the communication channel. Unique keys are stored only on the smartphone of the user and his interlocutor, which prevents the interception of confidential information even by the administrator of the protected network, and allows the user to safely connect to any available data networks.